exactly does hypnotherapy work? How exactly does it access the subconscious part of the brain? I've never done it before.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It's really easy. Via the medias. So we've got the impression that hypnosis is very like ta-da, and people are acting like monkeys, or stuff like that. It's not that at all. It's just how can I put this? You enter to the back of your mind, or you feel that you are closing your eyes and you're going inside to your happy place, to call it that. And I'm the guide, and I'm just asking questions, and people are answering the first thing that comes to their mind, and from that I'm picking what's important and guiding them to find the root of what actually is their problem. And when we find it, we actually communicate with it. Sounds weird, but it's really, really awesome. And we can communicate with it. The client can get a lot of great information from it, even get like advice on what to do, how to proceed. We can acknowledge it, and we can integrate that into the subconscious, the new stuff that we make.